All right, create our ad set, which again will have the conversion event, the audience, the placements, so that's where the ad is shown, and then the budget. So we're going to call this US 25 to 35 because that's what our audience is going to be. And yeah, we'll just leave it at that. All right, so we got to set up this pixel. No, we've already created a Facebook pixel. So hit create. So yeah, let's just manually install the code ourselves. And I'm gonna just email myself instructions for record keeping. And that's in there. But how we're actually gonna set up the pixel? Through our super easy landing page tool. So Landing Cube is a super easy landing page tool for Amazon that's gonna allow you to basically just copy the pixel number and paste it into a landing page. So we're going to create a landing page. We're going to create a promo page, which will allow us to get discounts, to give out discounts in exchange for emails. And let's just choose, in this scenario, we're just going to choose a random product. Recently viewed this foam roller massage for trigger points. So we're going to take this product URL and it's going to scrape the data from Amazon and make a landing page for us. New campaign. So again, we're going to sell it at a 49% discount. And we're going to have this campaign run for 3 weeks. Alright, so yeah, we can do a lot of things here. We can customize a bunch of this stuff. But right now we're just going to get to the Facebook pixel and show you how to do that. So what we're going to do is click on the Facebook pixel tracking. We're going to go into here, open up our pixel to get our number, pixel number. Just copy this pixel ID, go over here, copy that in, click save and continue. And we're not going to go through the process of actually creating these codes right now, but here are the instructions for doing that. For the type of codes we're using in this campaign are single-use promotion codes, which you create in the back end of Seller Central. So we use single-use promo codes so that someone doesn't take away all your codes and then sell your products at a lower price. Some malicious actor. And then you upload those promo codes. We're going to hit continue and publish our landing page. So now our landing page is published. So we're going to view our page. And so I have downloaded a Facebook Pixel Helper, which will show you that the pixel events are firing. So if we go back over here into our ad, we're going to choose the lead event to optimize our ad. So over time, when Facebook starts collecting data, they'll be able to show the ad to the people most likely to do this thing, whether you want to optimize for views on a certain page, or in this case, a lead event. So a lead event is when someone clicks claim coupon and then enters their email. So you see here, we don't have the email set up, but that's how we would do it. It says the lead has been done. So go back in here. Now that the event has taken place, our pixel is firing properly, and it'll be red there, but it'll turn green. It has taken place. So that's how you set up that conversion event. And now it's time to do the audience.